English Fast, helping learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR A1. Answer, dictionary, excuse me. Answer. Answer is a verb and a noun. A1 learners usually know answer. At A1, to answer means to react to something. An answer is the reaction. Here are some examples. Can you answer my question? I wrote twice, but he didn't answer my emails. Please give me your answer as soon as possible. Dictionary. Dictionary is a noun. A1 learners usually know dictionary. A dictionary is a book that has words A to Z with the meanings explained. Here are some examples. A dictionary is a very useful tool. You can check the spelling of a word in a dictionary. Nowadays, we can find many dictionaries online. Excuse me. Excuse me is a phrase. A1 learners usually know excuse me. At A1, excuse me is used to politely get a person's attention. Here are some examples. Excuse me, is this the bus for London? Excuse me, can you help me with this, please? Excuse me, do you know the way to the university? In the comments below, write some of your own sentences with answer, dictionary, and excuse me. Email the editor at englishfast.co.uk for the CEFR A1 worksheets. Subscribe on YouTube to learn more.